Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you some photos I've made at a place called Yue Man Square. It is the town center of Kwun Tong, and basically it's a series of buildings that spans over several blocks built in the 1950s and 60s. I'll put up a photo to show you what I'm actually talking about. And note that this isn't my photo, I got it from the government website. I'll link the source in the description below. And there's also more information on there as well if you'd like to check that out. And this area is being redeveloped, and actually many of the buildings you see in the picture has been demolished and new apartment buildings have gone up. I've been wanting to visit this area for a while now, but what motivated me to actually go was when one day I was driving by and I noticed that with the row of buildings, one of them is missing, and I know the demolition has already begun. And what I find interesting is that even though most of the buildings are empty, there are actually passageways where people can still walk through. And so my idea is to capture some black and white shots through these passageways, and hopefully the light will shine through the entrances and the exits, and that will give some high contrast shots. So take a look at the clip and let's see how the results are. I'll talk to you afterwards. And there it is, my day in this area. From what I saw, there were still 3 shops operating. I wonder what's gonna happen to them in the near future. And after recording this video, I went back there again recently, and the next section of the building is already all covered up, ready to be demolished. And I find it sad how things change so quickly in Hong Kong. I guess it's because of the lack of land. A lot of old buildings have to be taken down to make way for the new. I'm really glad I got to visit this place, and hopefully my photos help add to the memory of it before it's all taken down. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.